If your Nintendo Switch isn't working automatically or you're using a hidden network, you'll need to set up your Wi-Fi manually. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Go to System Settings, then scroll down to Internet, open Internet Settings. Scroll down from here, tap Manual Setup. Here you will need to enter your Wi-Fi network name, your SSID, your security, and so on. You'll find this on the bottom of your router with the same name tags on them. Then if you select security, it should usually be WPA2-PSK or something similar. Then there's IP address, which you can manually add. The DNS settings, the proxy settings, all of them can be adjusted manually to your preference as long as you have the correct information. The save option is grayed out for me now. When you manually add a network, the save option will be available. Make sure to save it then, and the network will be available. That's all for now. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tips and solutions. Catch you in the next one.